We're back here at the student farm, and Lynda, it looks like I picked the right day because this is full harvest mode you guys are in.
Oh yeah, we've been harvesting broccoli for about a week, couple weeks now.
Well, and that's some beautiful stuff you got there.
Thank you, thanks.
So
We're excited.
I think one of the big things about broccoli is, when do you harvest it?
Yeah.
How do you tell?
Well, and we've been watching this stuff, and it's amazing. Overnight, it grows rapidly. So we've had some earlier this week on Monday. We harvested about 100 heads of broccoli, and now today is Wednesday, and we're harvesting again, and we've got a lot more to harvest today. And there were actually some that over matured in 2 days.
Really?
So, yeah.
Okay. All right. So tell us a little bit about those signs that you're seeing as far as when it's ready and over maturity,
sure.
if you don't mind.
I'll just show you an example.
Okay.
This is one on Monday. We didn't think was quite ready Monday, and then now today, as you can see, it's starting to get kind of a lime green color. The florets on it are starting to get a little bit larger in size, bubbling out, and it's separating.
Okay.
So it's still very marketable, and it's still good, but it is on the borderline of being too mature.
So it might not have as long of a shelf life once you're out there at the store. Yeah. Okay.
And then like this one, as you see, it's got more of that blue-green color. It's more the dome shape, and everything's pretty tight on it. So it's obviously a much prettier head.
Okay, all right. So yeah, a day can make all the difference, right?
Yeah.
So really this time of year, are you kind of having to check the fields daily almost with harvesting? Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. We've been harvesting broccoli. We'll probably do it 3 times this week.
Okay.
And then we'll start in on, we've got several other crops we're working on too.
Okay. So, and of course this cool season that we're having is sort of helping these cool season crops, right?
Definitely. The humidity, the moisture we've had recently, you know, it's all, and the temperatures have all worked in our favor. All
right. Well, I do see a few more holes than last time when I came out. So it looks like you've got some pests you're dealing with.
Yep. The cabbage loopers found us. And we haven't sprayed yet.
Okay.
We probably will do a spray here before long, just to prevent it from getting in on the next crops that we're going to be harvesting.
Okay, but at this point, you know, even if you were to spray it to prevent the pests from harboring here, you're not spraying the crop because you've already pretty much got everything.
That's right.
Okay. Well, what about secondary growth on broccoli? Is there?
Yeah, we've got several that are starting new little shoots. In fact, there's a shoot in here that I harvested. It was big enough to harvest. So that was actually a secondary shoot.
Okay.
So when we're harvesting them, like I've got another nice head here.
Yeah.
We try to not harvest too far down, and you know, maybe 5 inches at the very most. And then we can just take off these extra leaves. We leave a few on just because it's pretty. And then from this growth, some of these, they'll, like as you can see, they've already started some new shoots up. Okay. And then we've got some others that we've harvested earlier that have bigger shoots on them.
Yeah, there's one right here that's coming on too.
Yep.
Okay.
So we'll be able to come back and start harvesting those secondary ones.
All right. Well, I know you got some other people harvesting other crops.
Yes. Yeah. Matt's over, I think he's harvesting cabbage, and our students are busy harvesting as well.
All right. Well, I'm going to go check in with Matt next.
Okay, great.
Thanks. You. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.